Well, I'm ready to start. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that print. One interesting thing is that I think right now it's homed. And if you look, it is obviously not, the hot end tip is not level with this. Now, I don't know if I've just homed the Z-axis wrong or what, but we'll see. Anyway, it's taken its time getting down in temperature because it's such a big thing. I'm sure that's normal, but it's at 38°C right now. And I mean, slightly warm to the touch, not much. So I'm gonna try taking this thing off. I might be taking it off a little bit too soon since it's still at 38 degrees Celsius. But let's give it a go. So here we go. I'm gonna start back here. Just using my nail, trying to pop it off. Man, that is really stuck on there. Like really stuck on there. I really don't want to use the scraper if I can help it. Maybe I'll go. I don't know. Here I am, pushing on the build plate. Yeah, that thing is super stuck on there. Probably due to the nature of the print having really thin lines, really difficult to get off. I'm gonna have to use that scraper that it came with. And I'll try and be very gentle because I'm super paranoid about scraping this thing. So, okay, that's nice and sharp. Just applying a very small amount of pressure. I'm sure some of you watching are like, man up and just scrape it, but this is such a nice surface, I really don't want to scrape it up. Man, it is really stuck on there. I'm gonna set you guys down. Maybe you can still watch, maybe you can't. We'll see what happens. Okay, I managed to just cut into the little perimeter. It looks like it did a, whatever it was called, a brim, a trim. Can't remember what the Cura setting is for that. But I got that. Let's see if I can get it to continue. No, it's just breaking apart on me. It is really stuck on there. This holds on to its prints. All right. Let's stick you guys up here, maybe? No? I don't know. I'm gonna stick you back down here and maybe you'll be able to see. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Can you guys see from that angle? Not really. Whatever. Let's do this. One-handed. Oh, it's definitely seeming like it's popping off slightly easier than a minute ago. Okay. Now that's a bummer. That was due to the beginning of the print, not having it come off very evenly right there. Chose a heck of a time to cut my nails. If I can get it to the edge, I can get underneath it. Now I can try to just peel it. Nice, very easy. So that's the perimeter, or whatever. Now I just gotta get my nails underneath this one. I guess this is disabled. Don't know why I'm making it so difficult on myself. All right, let's try getting this scraper underneath it. I really don't want to jam it. Man, it's so nice. It's just me, isn't it? Just being like, oh, it's so nice, I want to keep it nice. It's like when you get a new car, you don't want to eat in your car and all that stuff. It's just a machine, right? My goodness. I don't want to bang it. Oh, there we go. I got underneath it. And look, I've kind of, oh no, it wiped away. Oh, maybe this stuff is tougher than I give it credit for. All right, so that's one. If you take a look here, it looks like there is slight. My goodness, that is really on there. On those thicker parts. There we go. Well, cool. Got myself a really nice target stencil for archery or shooting guns. So that's nice. Anyway, taking a look at it, you can see, so it was just like this. I'll have to rewind the video and correct myself if I'm wrong. But taking a look, you can see I've got some issues over here in this region where it's too high. And it's focusing on the background. But yeah, it's those same spots I identified before. So that's cool. The sides look great. The bottom looks okay. The top, not so much. But I know where I need to go from here. So here's our manual one. It's a nice sturdy stencil. I mean, this isn't gonna break easily. I mean, even if you try and rip it, it's gonna be really sturdy because it's so stupid thick. But let's go ahead and try this automatic bed leveling. Got a nice indentation, not indentation, but nice remnants of the old print there. So that's cool. So anyway, let's give it a go. I'm gonna follow this. I'm not gonna be recording myself because you guys would be listening to me go a lot, and I can just give you guys a recap afterwards anyway. So yeah.